Hey everyone, I have this delicious gin here from Naught Gin. Now this is the Sangiovese Gin. It combines amazing aromatics and cherry to bring you this awesome play on a gin with a beautiful color. So we're gonna whip up one of their cocktails called the Sanjo Sour, a play on your normal sour, but with a beautiful color. Alrighty, let's get into it. First ingredient, we've got our Naught Sangiovese Gin. We're gonna pop this straight into our shaker. So we've got 60 ml of that. Glug, glug, glug. Amazing, and I absolutely love the color of that. Followed by 30 ml of our lemon juice, 15 ml of our simple syrup, straight into the shaker. And to get that nice little foam, we're just gonna use an egg. Now just the egg white. Delicious, get that little protein hit. Alrighty, so we're then just going to dry shake this one. Now that's just to help it get nice and foamy. So a couple little shakes. That's pretty much all you need. Just to start emulsifying all of that egg. And now just a nice handful of ice. Awesome. Put the cap back on and just shake. And that's all nice and shaked up. Woohoo. We have a coupe glass right here. So we're gonna pour this straight into our coupe glass. This is absolutely delicious, lovely and velvety. And there's your Sanjo Sour. Cheers.